welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall in Meadow Event Park in Doswell, Virginia, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. Today, we're going to play with some apples. I've got a beautiful Granny Smith apple here. I've got more that's chopped up there. They come from the western part of the state, out near Winchester. It's going to be a great fritter. Apple and peanut fritter. So I've got some flour in here. I'm going to add some sugar to the flour. All right, got about a half a cup of sugar. I got some salt and baking powder that's going in there. I've got a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and the recipe will be up on the website, so you'll be able to go up and get the exact measurements here. All right, so I'm going to mix those dry ingredients together really good. All right. I was reminded I didn't put salt in when I said salt, so I got the salt in. All right, now I'm going to add the eggs. This is the first of the wet ingredients. All right, these are lightly beaten eggs, just kind of mixed up. I don't want to get a lot of air in them. All right, it's 2 eggs, and I'm going to mix those around. All right. And now I'm going to add some apple cider. Okay, mixing this up a little bit. Now I'm going to add some oil to that. Get it mixed good. Okay, I added a half a cup of milk, right, and I'm going to add in chopped peanuts and some chunky peanut butter. And I'm going to mix all of this together. And get it nice and smooth. I'm going to add the diced apples. And then just fold this. So we got peanuts, apples, all the ingredients that are necessary to make it a wonderful fritter. At the end, I need to add a little bit of butter. I got this all melted. And I'll stir that in. All right, it's perfect texture. Now we're ready to add this into the fat. And we're going to take a little bit, just drop it down in. A couple of spoonfuls. We don't have to worry about making them nice and smooth. If you got one of those little ice cream type scoops, you can make it nice and round, but they're still going to pop out a little bit and get some edges. So it's still going to look a little rough. Put that there. I'm ready to pull them out now. So I've got the apple fritters. Apple and peanut fritters. Put them out on the towel to drain off a little bit of the fat. And I've got them over here dusted with powdered sugar. It's apple peanut fritters. Great Virginia food, easy and quick to make. Join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.